How to use the GrabPay wallet. So first open the app if you haven't already. Then you'll see 5 options on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on the middle option called Finance. Then your screen should look something like this. Here you'll see an option called GrabPay Wallet. Simply tap on it. In the beginning, your balance will be 0, but you can tap on the top up button which is located right below your current amount. After tapping on it, you will see 3 options. Simply tap on linked bank account to link your bank account to GrabPay wallet. Then after completing all the verification steps, you can use the GrabPay wallet and start using it for online purchases. And it is that easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.